and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Ysay, and here on my channel I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials every Thursdays, and of course makeup hauls. So for today's video guys, I have a little haul for you guys from Beauty Bay. So to tell you a little bit of history, this is my first time to order from the Beauty Bay products. I think it is a UK brand, so I got intrigued with their products, so I did not hesitate. I grabbed, added cart, and bam, ordered. And I'm gonna show you a little haul. And the thing is, there's a little bit of history because the parcel arrived like it's supposed to be like a week or 2 weeks that the products will arrive here in Canada. But my problem was, I wondered, like, it took me like a month to receive the product. But of course, it's not their fault. It's also partly my fault because I didn't check my email. So I was just tracking my shipment, and it says it's still on the process, or it already reached in Toronto and everything. But I did not really know that I also have to pay custom fees, something like that. And the thing is, always check your email to check any email or updates. So it was my fault also that I didn't check my email. So what happened is it nearly went back to the sender because I didn't pay my dues. So good thing I checked my email and review everything and called them, and good thing that day I caught my parcel. They were supposed to send it back to Beauty Bay, but good thing I talked with the personnel, the agent, and she told me that you have to pay like this, and then boom, they're gonna send my parcel. So it took me a month, and finally it arrived, and I'm just gonna show you guys in today's haul what I got from the Beauty Bay. First off, because it was on sale, this is the Nikki Tutorials eyeshadow palette. So this is the box, the packaging. It is called in black, and it has a note here written, "Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello," she said. "I am beyond excited for you to finally see this my palette in collaboration with Beauty Bay. I am so grateful for this opportunity, and this time we're doing it right for everybody. This palette truly showcases my life and personality. You guys know that I'm all about bright and unique makeup looks, but this palette also shows a different, darker side of me. I can't wait to see looks you'll create, from dark and mysterious to bold and uniquely you. So this palette is my safe place, my temple, and this never would have happened without the support of my glow babies. So love you." So if you follow her, she's very popular in the beauty space. She's Nikki Tutorial. She does lots of tutorials, and I follow her as well. So yeah, this was on sale from 30 something, so I got it for like $26 Canadian dollars. So this is the palette. I am so excited. Let's open this with me. Bam, bam, bam. And it has a bubble wrap to keep the eyeshadow intact, and she got a note here. I wonder, so she said, "Hello guys, I want you to make the most out of the gorgeous shades, so I want to show you how to master their full potential. So some of the formulas work best when applied with a shadow brush and build them up, while others work better than applied with fingers. Check out the symbols on the other side to see which, and have fun creating." So it comes with a note here. It says here which shadows is good for brush and just for fingers. So this is how it looks like, the name of the shadow and the icon. Like for example, the Redemption, it can be used with only a brush, and the rest is a brush with a finger. So yeah, very nice of her to include this note. So this is the packaging. It shows the colorful side of Nikki Tutorial, as what she said, and their dark side. So very intriguing, and it has also the same note with the packaging, what she wrote outside, and her sign. And this is the palette, you guys. Very nice color story, very colorful. So it comes with a mirror, And this mirror is, the other one is a normal mirror and the other one is like 2 times magnified. So I love it because of the color story, and it has a big pen. I love big pens in the eyeshadow because I can dip my eyeshadow brush very nice, except because I don't like those small pans, eyeshadow pans. So this is very good. So when you close this one, you can create some neutral looks out of this color, but it has a very bright yellow, which is called VLA. So I wanna play with this color as well. And when you close it and you open this side, this is also a neutral. Oh, sorry. So this one is like a colorful neutral or bright side, while this one is like a darker side. You can create a neutral look using this ones, and you can create a pop of color using the greens and the blues, and this one too as well. So yeah, it's very nice palette, and I can't wait to play with this. So probably you keep watching on my channel, and I will create 2 looks using this palette. So the next stop that I grabbed was the 16 color palette from Beauty Bay, the Earthy Palette. So this Earthy Palette introducing to you the ultimate collection of the earthy toned shadows, featuring all the greens, golds, and browns that you could possibly need. So each shade has intense pigment payoff, and thanks to the Beauty Bay formula that you know and love, from ultra smooth mattes to soft pressed shimmers, and you don't need to look any further. So I was intrigued. It comes with a 3 shadow. It comes with a 3 set. They have a different one. I think this one is the earthy one, the greens and the golds, and they also have the blues and the purples, and the other one is, I think, the pink ones. So I have lots of blues and purples in my collection, but I don't have a green eyeshadow palette in my collection, like a pure green, so that's why I grabbed this one. So actually it comes with a 9 palette, a 16 palette, and a 42 palette of all the shades, like different shades. So I said like the 9 palette is just too small for me, and when I'm gonna grab the 42 palette, it's just too much. It's like I don't really like a very big eyeshadow palette. So I said I'm good with the 16 eyeshadow palette. So it comes with a bubble wrap, and this is how it looks like. It's all green in the outside, and this is the shadows, you guys. Look at that. Comes with a mirror, and this is the greens. So in the 42 pan of this shadow, like all the greens and colors and oranges, I'm gonna maybe put a picture to compare, but yeah, it is too many for me, so I just grabbed this shade. I love the greens here. They have the equally proportioned shimmers and mattes here. I love this one and this one and the shade here, and yes, it's so exciting. So let me swatch some shade for you guys. So this is, look at how pigmented it is, and it's creamy when you swatch it. Let me swatch this one for you, and let's see how the green is so pigmented and smooth, and for sure this is very blendable. So I am very much happy with this purchase. I have finally like a green palette in my collection, and I'm really excited to play with this too as well. Oh, I'm so excited. The next stop is this one, the Beauty Bay palette. It is the Pastels. It says the Pastels. So I grabbed this because I don't have like a very, I wanted in my collection a colorful eyeshadow. So I grabbed this one, Pastels. It's very great for summer, so I said, yeah, why not grab it? So it comes with a bubble wrap, and as you can see with the packaging, it says Pastels. So yeah, it's all pastel colors, and there's a note here in the back. Embrace your dreamy obsession with our compact pressed pigment palette, featuring the prettiest pastel hues you need to indulge your softer side and own the trend. With 8 velvety mattes in a pigment-rich formula, these delicate shades have a seamlessly blendable texture and major staying power for looks even more euphoric than the last. So this is our pastel collection, And it comes with a, this is the color. Comes with the 8 eyeshadow pastel colors. Very nice. They are all matte, so you can play with this colorful. This is my first like a pastel color eyeshadow, so yes, that's the reason why I grabbed this one. And probably, let me swatch the yellow one. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so creamy. Very creamy. Look. Wow. A little bit chalky when you apply, but it's soft and blendable. Probably with a brush. Let's try the orange one or the purple one. It's so creamy, guys. Let's see the purple. Oh, look at that. Very pastel color. Smooth on the skin. I can't wait to play with this. Probably I'll make a rainbow eyeshadow look with this. Yeah, so keep on watching. I'm so excited to create looks using this palette. And last but not the least, I want to try their brush. So I think, look at this, the packaging. Still wrap up. Very huge packaging. So let me open it for you guys. I'm not sure. I think this is just blend eyeshadow brush, buffing brush. So it comes with this one. It says the best angle brush. It's an angle brush. Look at that. Very fluffy. Oh, and it's soft. I love when I want to try this one for the outer V application because it is an angled brush. So yeah, I will let you know on my future videos how this brush works for me. So yeah, so this is all that I have bought from the Beauty Bay, and I will let you know, guys, or create more looks using this hauls, and I hope you like it. And if you do have the same product like me, please let me know. I want to share thoughts about you and how you like the products from the Beauty Bay, and like what eyeshadow you might recommend me to try on. I would really appreciate that. So please don't forget to comment down below, and I would really happy to see your comments and try new products from Beauty Bay. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. I hope to see you soon, guys, and take care. Bye!